Hello and welcome to this video on how to backtest and optimize in algo trading. Introduction. Algorithmic trading has revolutionized the financial industry, providing traders with the ability to execute trades automatically based on predefined rules and strategies. One of the key components of successful algorithmic trading is the process of backtesting and optimization. In this video, I will explore the importance of backtesting and optimization in algorithmic trading and how it can significantly enhance trading strategies. By understanding the fundamentals and best practices of backtesting and optimization, traders can improve their chances of achieving consistent profitability in the dynamic and fast-paced world of financial markets. What is backtesting? Backtesting is the process of evaluating a trading strategy using historical market data to simulate how it would have performed in the past. By applying the strategy to historical data, traders can assess its effectiveness and gain insights into its potential profitability. Backtesting enables traders to validate their trading ideas, identify strengths and weaknesses in their strategies, and make informed decisions about whether to deploy them in live trading. Backtesting plays a vital role in the development and refinement of algorithmic trading strategies. It allows traders to quantify the performance of their strategies, understand their risk-reward profiles, and estimate potential drawdowns. By conducting thorough backtesting, traders can gain confidence in their strategies before risking real capital in live trading. It also helps in identifying and mitigating the risks associated with market volatility, unexpected events, and changing market conditions. What are key considerations in backtesting? To ensure reliable and accurate backtesting results, traders should consider the following key factors. Quality historical data. Using high-quality and accurate historical data is essential for meaningful backtesting. The data should include relevant market variables, such as price, volume, and order book information, to capture the intricacies of the trading environment accurately. Additionally, the data should cover a sufficiently long period to account for various market conditions and cycles. Realistic assumptions. Traders need to make realistic assumptions while backtesting their strategies. This includes accounting for transaction costs, slippage, and other market frictions that can impact actual trading performance. By incorporating these factors into the backtesting process, traders can gain a more accurate representation of their strategy's real-world performance. Overfitting and data snooping. Overfitting occurs when a strategy is excessively optimized to fit historical data, resulting in poor performance in live trading. Traders must be cautious of overfitting their strategies and ensure they are not tailoring them too specifically to historical data patterns. It's crucial to strike a balance between strategy complexity and generalizability to achieve robust and reliable results. What are optimization techniques? Once a trading strategy has been backtested, optimization techniques can be applied to enhance its performance. Optimization involves adjusting the strategy's parameters to find the optimal combination that maximizes returns or minimizes risk. However, it is important to exercise caution and avoid over-optimization, as it can lead to curve fitting and unrealistic expectations. Parameter optimization. Parameter optimization involves systematically varying the input parameters of a trading strategy and evaluating the performance for each combination. This process helps identify the parameter values that produce the best results based on predefined optimization criteria, such as maximum return or minimum drawdown. Traders can use various techniques, such as grid search, genetic algorithms, or particle swarm optimization, to explore the parameter space efficiently. Walk-forward analysis. Walk-forward analysis is a technique that addresses the limitations of traditional optimization approaches. It involves dividing the historical data into multiple segments, with each segment consisting of an optimization period followed by an out-of-sample period. This approach simulates the realistic scenario of adapting the strategy to changing market conditions. By evaluating the strategy's performance across different market regimes, traders can gain insights into its robustness and adaptability. Sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis helps traders understand how changes in input parameters affect the performance of their trading strategies. By systematically varying one parameter at a time while keeping others constant, traders can identify the most influential factors and fine-tune their strategies accordingly. Sensitivity analysis provides valuable insights into the strategy's sensitivity to different market conditions and can guide traders in making informed adjustments. Conclusion: backtesting and optimization are essential processes in the development and refinement of algorithmic trading strategies. By rigorously backtesting strategies using high-quality historical data and realistic assumptions, traders can gain confidence in their strategies and identify areas for improvement. Optimization techniques further enhance the strategy's performance by fine-tuning its parameters and adapting it to changing market conditions. By incorporating these best practices, traders can increase their chances of achieving consistent profitability in algorithmic trading. In the dynamic world of financial markets, staying ahead of the competition requires a deep understanding of backtesting and optimization. Embracing these techniques can give traders a competitive edge, allowing them to make informed decisions and capitalize on market opportunities. As algorithmic trading continues to evolve, backtesting and optimization will remain crucial tools for traders aiming to maximize their success. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.